Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a 2017 Ldv G10 van. So 1.9 diesel automatic, hitting the left hand front. It's got a couple got a right end headlight, mudguard, two right end doors, tailgate. Tailgate's copped a bit of a knock from the forklift at the holding yard. All care, no responsibility. Scrape down the side there. Doors shut itself. Start it up for you in a second. $74,000 kilometres. Just jump in and start it up. Find the compliance plate. Here. There's the other one. Got the grey cloth front seats, nothing in the rear. Alright, where are we? Doors open, yep. 74301 kilometres. Service the airbag, fair enough. Standard factory stereo, I think. Yeah, there it is. One Ldv van for dismantling. Okay. You're in the Ldv G10 van or any other vehicle for that matter, give the guys a Pass Plus a call on 02 46461733. And they'll be only too glad to help you out. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.